Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a photo on Google Lens. So let's get started right away. If you open up the Google Lens application, you will gain access to your gallery from which you can search using the various different kinds of photos from your album. However, you will not find an option to delete these photos since they are not stored within your Google Lens account or the app. So in order to delete these photos, you will need to delete them using your gallery. Open up your phone gallery and then navigate to the photo that you want to delete. Once you find the photos, you can simply long press and select multiple one of these. And after you are done selecting, tap on the delete button. And now you can proceed with deleting these photos. And there you have it. That is how you can delete photos on Google Lens. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.